Here she comes.
I know, right? Well, look, you know what, girl? We're here for daffing, so let's all just pretend like we like ourselves, right?
I know.
Hey.
Hey.
Living life on the fast lane. Playing
You look good. You look so good.
Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Hey, you girls are looking so good. I'm fine, bro.
You guys are not looking bad at all.
I know.
Hotness everywhere.
360, turn around, girl. See how good you look.
Ooh.
Yes.
Chopping all the money in
Yes,
the
sir.
Look at that. Oh my god. Look who we have here.
Ooh, the latest bride in Lagos.
Who went for vacation for 4 good months? Who does that?
Yes, girl.
Latest trophy wife in town. Look at you.
That's my girl.
360.
Let's see.
Hey girl. So your girl is back.
Today, I'm treating us to a good girl's time.
Okay, girl. So today we're having a beach party.
Beach day, bitches! So why don't we start by having a small party? Let's, get the energy high.
We have more butters there. Yeah.
Let's start with this. Let's flush it out. To my girls. And this to my girls.
Yeah, baby.
My squad.
This is
chopping out the
my squad for life.
I am stuck with you girls for life.
Yeah, baby.
Let's do this.
Yes, girl.
Let's bring it to the second time.
Yeah. Let's do this, girl.
Let's do this. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
living life on the fast lane, playing dangerous games. Having fun is the aim, the aim. To have fun is the aim. Don't you know that it could end up in pain? Don't you know that it could end up in shame? End up in shame, shame. Your life is fake. That's a big mistake. There's bound to be.
So girls, this is for our girl Daphne, who just secured herself a lifetime of cash flow.
Yes. Hey girls. You see this girl right here? She is never going broke ever again.
Girls, you already know me. I'm not a fan of this married thing. But if you must get married, make sure it's worth it.
That's the point.
And the most important thing about marriage is
Love, of course.
It's all about money! Yes! So girls, cheers to us winning and securing the bag!
It's too late. Before it's too late. Your life is fake. That's a big mistake. There's bound to be regret. Your life is fake. That's a big mistake. At the end, regret is what you get.
Okay, girls, I think we should move this party to the beach. What do you think? Beach time, girls! Let's go!
What? 2.8 million naira. From where? What? Why? What? Daphne. Daphne.
Oh my god. That was so fun.
Where are you coming from?
Gerald, what sort of a question is that? What do you mean, where is she coming from? She's your wife, not your daughter. Oh.
And you are?
Oh, Gerald, stop. This is Kim, my best friend.
Of course, I know who she is. I'm just wondering why she's here this early in the morning in my house asking me stupid questions.
No. Not your house. What belongs to you now belongs to us.
That still does not explain why she's here.
Gerald, I don't understand why you now have a problem with me being in my own best friend's house.
Madam, oh yeah, out. Out. Excuse us, please.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Seems you have so much on your mind. Say it, I'm listening, my darling husband.
Daphne. Remind me again. We went to bed together last night, right? So how come I woke up in the middle of the night and you were nowhere to be found?
Oh. That's right. That's right. Kim called for us to go clubbing, and then you were sleeping, and I didn't want to disturb your sleep.
Really? Who did you tell? Are you listening to yourself? Are you aware that you are now a married woman?
And so, Gerald.
Okay. Tell me, why did I get a debit alert of 2.8 million naira?
I used your card, baby.
You used my card and blew a whooping sum of 2.8 million in one night?
Gerald, why are you so pissed?
I shouldn't be pissed. You spend my hard-earned money, waste it in what did you do with it? You bought clothes, you bought drinks, what?
Come on, baby. You have the money. I know. Stop stressing.
Hey, I am talking to you.
Baby, help me my shoes. Oh, no. I'll get it. My head is banging. I need to sleep. Baby. Oh my God. Baby. Oh, Gerald.
Yeah. Okay. That works. That's fine. We can sign tomorrow then. I know you choose. My office, your office, anyone is fine by me. You choose. Oh, yeah. That's fine. Tomorrow then. Daphne. Daphne.
I'm here.
It's 4 p.m. It's 4 p.m. and you're still in your nightie?
Gerald. I don't get. Is there a rule of what I should wear at a certain time?
Of course not. It's just a maze. Don't tell me you've been sleeping all day.
Gerald, like, what am I supposed to say to you right now? Because to be honest, I've been sleeping all day.
Wow. So you've been sleeping all day and you really do not see anything wrong with it? It's not a problem? It's not. Definitely, this place is a mess. I'm sure you can see that. Fix it.
No. Gerald, I don't see any mess.
The house is a mess. I should fix it.
Girl, how?
Gerald said so.
Just imagine the insult. Like, look at me. Yo.
Girl, you look so fine.
Do I look like his maid?
That must be a joke of the century. I mean, what does it take you for?
A maid, darling. A maid, I guess.
Oh, come on. If he was looking for a maid, then you should go to his village, or better still go to the street and pick a girl from the gutter.
Exactly. Exactly.
My dear, you should know better than allowing a man reduce you to a maid, all in the name of marriage.
Why are you talking like this, like you don't know me? Me. Listen, This is a lifetime insurance for me.
My point
And I'm
exactly.
here to chop life and enjoy life.
My point exactly. No more hustling.
I just want to spend money I did not work for.
There is nothing sweeter than that.
You know.
On a more serious note, babe, you need to set boundaries. I mean, I've been married for 2 years now, and I can say for a fact that I've not lifted a finger to do any house chores.
Are you serious?
Of course, girl. You should get a maid.
You know, speaking of your marriage, I'm sorry, but you know, I noticed you don't post your husband anymore. And I know you love to post him. So what happened?
I know. You know my husband now. He doesn't like all those social media stuff, and he doesn't want the fan to have a say in our marriage. You know how these fans behave now. Come on. So I just had to pipe it down.
Come on. You shouldn't let what the fans are saying.
Don't worry about me. I think you should get a maid. I had one from day one. I can hook you up, don't worry.
Right?
Yeah.
I should get a maid.
For God's sake, Daphne, I'm hungry.
G, just calm down. Food is coming, please.
From where? From where? Are you trying to test my patience or what?
Come on, G. What has your patient got to do with this? It's fine, I understand you're hungry, but I don't know why this ordered for food for us. This rider is just taking so much time.
Enough of these explanations you're giving to me. Enough of it. Now I have to depend on a dispatch rider to eat? Really? Just a few weeks of being married to you, I have tasted food from almost every restaurant in Lagos.
And is that bad?
It's bad. It's bad. Now why if I marry you? You are my wife, Daphne. And as such, you are expected to perform your wifely duties to me. Come on.
Your food will soon be here.
No, you will get up, get into the kitchen and make me something to eat. Preferably pounded yam and egusi soup. Now. I'm waiting. That's my baby girl. You see? Was that so hard now?
You just need to stress me.
If I don't stress you.
Enjoy your food, my love.
Sure I will.
Looks nice. You want the pounded yam? Or do you want Gary?
No. This should do.
Yes. How's it? What was that?
Wait, what did you put in it?
Nothing.
Exactly, not even salt. Like salt. Daphne.
Am I supposed to put salt?
Daphne. Common egusi soup.
Gee, I'm sure it's not that bad.
It's bad. Daphne is bad.
Gee, are you leaving? No. You can't do that now. You can't just do that. This is the first and last I'm cooking in this house. I eat this food. Gee, this is the first and last I'm cooking in this house. Just imagine what This is nice. You come back here and eat this food.
Funny.
Girls, what's so funny? Fill me in. Okay, so we're talking about how we're going to be maintaining our world-class body.
Talking about body, my love. Hope you're not willing to lose this banging body to pregnancy.
Is she for real? Like, girl, look at me. Girls, do I look like I want to lose this $1 million body shape?
You shouldn't,
Of course,
baby
no.
girl. Don't think about it, girl.
Wait, girls, I don't understand. Are you trying to say you don't want to get pregnant?
Why should she?
So what's the essence of she getting married?
Why do you think I got married to a 90-year-old man, girl? Think about it.
You guys are ridiculous.
Babe, please just leave this conversation for the married ones, okay?
Thank you, boo.
So, girl, what do you mean by...
Hey, baby.
Meet me in the bedroom now.
Girls, I'll see you again shortly, okay? Have fun!
Yeah, okay.
Do you think there's a problem?
Yes, Cassie, there is a problem. And the problem is between me and you. Cassie, what do you mean by leave this conversation for married people?
Exactly what he means, babe.
Okay.
I'm going to say this in the most simplest way possible. I don't appreciate you bringing those girls to my house every blessed day.
Every blessed day? No. Gerald, they are not always here. And those ladies, they are my friends. Well, I hope you're not asking me to get rid of my friends.
You're married now, and...
And what? Gerald, and my life stops. Gerald, you're asking me to get rid of the people I met before you. I met you just 9 months ago.
And now you are married to me.
I still do not get your point.
Look, we're a couple now. We're newly married. We shouldn't be having people in our business. We shouldn't be entertaining any third parties. We should set boundaries. Boundaries.
Gerald, you're still not making any sense. Look, Gerald, if you do not like my friends, you just have to try. Those girls, they are my squad. And I am stuck with them for life.
Don't make me ask you to choose between your squad and this marriage.
My dear husband, don't make me choose.
Living life on the fast lane, playing dangerous games. Having fun is the aim, the aim. To have fun is the aim. Don't you know that it could end up in pain?
And what's your name?
Thank you, madam. Carol. Carol with the K, not the C-O. Carol.
Cassie, where did you get this girl from?
Don't mind her, she's just being funny. Listen, Carol, I know you have a loose mouth, but the reason why I brought you here is because your agent said you're hardworking. So you better behave yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
And Carol, have you ever worked as a house help before?
Madam, your friend just talk her now. Now my calling, no. Hey, madam, I don't work for like 67 houses, so.
67?
Yes, madam, now. 20 for Lekki, like 9.5 for Ikoyi. And madam, that 9.5 for Ikoyi, Sefo. Oh well.
Cassie.
I told you she's hardworking.
No, I don't think it's about being hardworking. All I see is someone who has been sacked so many times.
This madam sabi something, no. Hey, thank God, a better house. Not true. I don't collect plenty sack letter. Madam, nobody collects sack letter for this life with me. Carol.
And why is that so?
Madam. You know, as you can see, all my madams, especially all those who live for this Lekki, like 20 of all of them, they say, as you can see, I fine well. Eh? They say I can't get yash. That's true, not be joke. They say I carry her for front. I can't sabi cook. Normally, I be wife material. Normally, I be wife. Yes, so. But not be my fault now, you see. They say, they come they lie, they come they try to they twist her, to they turn her, and say, I they enter their husband eye. Me. Hey. Madam, you know you will finish for there. Oh.
Go on, take your ass off my seat. Cassie.
And I'm just, I did just vex.
Listen, I am giving you this opportunity because of my friend. And I need this help badly. Do not disappoint me, okay?
Oh, madam, I no go give you reason. You gonna increase my salary, no worry.
What is all these colors?
You like her, Abi? I know say you go like her, my fashion. They see my fashion, madam, that color blocking. Where my room dey, I will teach you how to do it. I mean, where my room dey for the house. I don't get work, but where my room dey for the house. Nobody, I be wife material.
Hey, who are you?
Who are you? Hey! You say, my madam, you say we don't sleep? Who you be?
I don't understand. Your madam? Who is your madam?
You see stand there, they ask question. Hey! If you not come out for this place, I go tell them say you be thief.
Who the hell is this in my house?
Ole! Thief!
Hey, you need to stop that.
Ole! Who you be?
Better keep it.
Madam, thief there, my house! Ole! Hey, whoa! Ole!
What's going on?
Go, banana thief! Madam, what thief? I go protect you now!
Are you okay? My husband, a thief?
Can you explain to me who this is? And please, make it make sense.
Sure, this is Carol. She's the new house help.
Yes, sir. Shh. I just try to protect your madam.
House help?
Yes, I mean, Cassie brought her in today, yes.
Yes, sir. Welcome, sir.
Good.
Yes, sir. Hey, Carol.
See me upstairs.
Let me beg your dad. It's not pet. Hey, I never collect salary. I never even work, Carol. Which kind bad luck be this? Hell, which kind devil sleep be this? Who send you sleep? Oh, Carol!
Daphne, since we got married, I have become a very unhappy man. Why do you constantly do things that get on my nerves?
Gerald, I'm confused.
Did you ever talk about having a house help?
Oh, please. Gerald, that's nothing to talk about. We both know we need help in this house.
You bring a total stranger into my home and you say there's nothing to talk about?
Gerald, I told you Cassie brought her in. I had no idea she...
Who the hell is Cassie? Who is she? A total stranger making decisions for me?
Oh, please!
Hey, do not upset me.
Take your hands off me.
I've been trying so hard to keep my calm.
Good. Then keep trying. Because you're only blowing this whole thing out of proportion. Cassie did nothing bad to get us help. Okay? Like all my married friends do have house help, so why can't I have a help?
I don't care about your married friends, don't you get it? You're a married woman now.
I
You should be
care!
caring about your own home.
Gerald, I care. Okay? Please.
Hey, baby. Come on. We shouldn't be doing this. Eh? We are meant to be a team. It's us against the world. I'm on your side. All I'm saying is that we're a very new couple. We don't need a third party. We don't need a house help. What for? What for?
My darling, it's fine. Just be ready to do the chores yourself. I will not be responsible for that, okay?
Talk about you, then you're somebody. No, then you're somebody. Let's see which one won't keep on existing, keep on flying. And if somebody don't talk about you, then you're somebody. Oh. Hey, keep on. Madam, good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, hello, please.
Hey, afternoon, ma'am. No vex.
Carol,
Ma?
be fast with the food. My husband is really hungry, okay?
Yes, ma'am. The wall of Jericho. Madam, no vex. You find well, madam, I beg, no vex, but this your nyash like this. Now follow come, I been a God giver. Your nyash.
Carol.
My God, madam.
What are you talking about?
Fine now, madam, see as you fine. You know how this your nyash just stay like this, eh? You know all those slay queen for Instagram. All those slay queen for
Carol.
Instagram, where they, ma?
Did you smoke last night?
You dey smoke.
Then what are you talking about?
I don't know whether na follow come or na doctor na, but I no vex.
Are you mad?
No, madam.
No, you are mad. Carol, you are mad.
I know, I'm mad. Carol is mad, madam. Sorry, madam.
You know what? Now I see why you've been having sack letters. Listen, Carol, if you're not careful, you will get one from me soon.
Madam,
Rubbish.
I like the work. Come like the nyash join. Simple question person ask you. Na follow come. Abi God come, doctor come. Why madam dey vex? Simple question, madam don't vex. Carol, na follow come. Carol yash. Pass madam yash. If somebody talk about you, then you are somebody. Keep on dancing. Yash na follow come. No follow come. Carol yash na follow come.
Your food is ready.
Wow. This is actually the first time I'll be hearing this in this house.
You see why it's important to have a help in the house.
Okay.
Oh, sorry.
Wow. Babe, I would eat this meal on one condition.
What?
If I don't like it, she leaves. If I like it, she stays. But you would have to learn from her.
Gerald, what do you mean I have to learn from her? Like, why are you trying so hard to turn me into a maid? If you like her food, then fine, employ her as a cook. Gerald, you met me a queen. And you got married to me because I carried myself so well, like a queen. So why do you expect me to act like a maid?
Cooking for your husband doesn't make you a maid, does it?
It is. When the man is Mr. Gerald Anozie, you have the money to employ her as a cook, but no, you want me to go in there and suffer in the kitchen. Why?
Daphne, not now. Not now. I don't want to be late for my meeting. I can't even do this now. Please.
Enjoy your food.
Hey, babe. You like Korea past fight too?
Oh, please, I beg. Just go away.
This actually tastes good.
You like it?
Really good. I love it. She stays.
Yes, of course.
Boy, you still have to learn from her. Sorry. Really good. So good. I need to put her salary as well.
Here we go. You wanted to see what my room looks like?
Oh my God. Babe, this is luxury.
Were you expecting less?
Of course not. Daphne.
Yes.
Now enjoyment, you come this marriage, come enjoy, my
Girl,
friend.
you know the vibe.
Hey.
Hey!
Oh my God.
No. That's my matrimonial bed.
What is yours is mine. Luxury. I've been wanting to ask you, how is the sex?
Kim, if I should rate Gerald from 1 to 100, I'll give him a 101.
Tell me about it.
God, Gerald is so good. Like, he knows how to give it to me just the way I like it. Like, girl, I can keep on going on for like 24 hours.
Gosh, babe, I envy you. This is what we all want. I mean, a man that can satisfy you in bed, spends on you. See how good you look.
Girl, you know what? Getting married to Gerald is the best thing I ever did. Trust me.
Chief. Hey, baby. I miss you too. This weekend, what about your wife and your children? They're out of the country. Okay, I can't wait to see you too. Okay, love you.
Let me guess. You have an appointment?
Babe, you know the vibe. I have to keep these men in boring marriages satisfied.
But girl, you know how to spice up your life.
That's what I came to this life to do. Babe, I have to go now. I have an appointment with Fred Darlington tonight.
Kim, same Fred?
Babe, of course, the same Fred.
Kim is married to a Nollywood actress.
Who cares? Please, my friend.
Look
at you. Look at you. Oh my God.
Wow, let's see where they work for this house. No, they clean this house before. See house. This world is not my home. I'm just passing through. You can just see money. See money, even our chief for our village don't get money where if it be the same price with this good thing. This world is not my home. I'm just passing through. Wow. Hey, see lights. I will not be lights. The lights now. This world is not my home. I'm just passing through. Yes, I get this kind of house. That thief it be. This my oga. If say no be thief, you know they do yahoo. No say you don't use your wife belly do money ritual. Or you don't, your mama will die. Let's say you use and do money. Anybody where they chop 3 times, they don't even chop 3 times. They chop 3, 4, 5, 6 times. People they suffer. This world is not my home. I'm just
Daphne.
No vex. What's happen here?
Who are you?
Who are me? Hey, Carol, who are me? Who are you? You come person house today, ask the person say, who are me? Who are you?
God, it's obvious you're not on Instagram. Like, yeah, it's obvious you just came from the village. Yes, because if you're on Instagram, you know who I am.
Hey, if I'm on Instagram, you, who you be?
Wait.
Who you be?
Did you just touch me?
Oh, Angel, I don't supposed to touch you.
Daphne!
Carol.
Madam.
Carol, so you want to tell me you don't know what you're supposed to do?
I don't know. What do you think Carol will do?
Carol, you beat my friend up. You're asking me you don't know what you're supposed to do?
Madam, don't be so that they judge matter now. Madam, you suppose find out, say, who do wrong, who do right. Then you go know whether she deserve the beating or she no deserve it. Carol, huh?
kneel down right now and apologize to my friend.
Madam. Carol.
Yes.
Need her for this one?
Of course.
No, very so. I dey go pack my things. Instead of make I need her for this kind of thing. No, take Carol, come.
Carol!
Madam.
Daphne, where on earth did you get this girl from?
Ask Cassie.
Anyways, babe, what is it? That's not what brought me here. I really need your help.
For what?
You remember the car I bought on my birthday? I actually bought that car on credit.
Credit? Yeah. Oh my God.
And now, babe, the man is on my neck. He's threatening to expose me or send every details to the blog. It won't be good for my brand.
So how is that my business?
Please, I need your help.
My help?
Yes.
Ria, I gave you 10 million naira. You haven't paid me the money. How do I do that?
I will pay.
I cannot do that. Carol. Hey. Where are you going to?
I don't go my mouth.
Carol, okay, fine. Sorry, just go back inside. I still need you in this house, okay?
Madam, now I dey go the 69th house. They wait for me there.
Carol, okay, fine. Don't say sorry. Just go back inside, okay? I still need you in this house, please. Yes.
Babe, are you okay? Hey, what is it? Are you okay?
I feel so weak and dizzy.
Oh, so sorry. Okay, we should go see the doctor then.
Oh, it's fine. Baby, I'll go later.
No, there's no way I'm leaving you in this house like this.
Gerald, you're getting ready for work. I'm sure you have a lot of business meetings waiting for you.
Hey, Daphne. You are my wife, and as such, you are my priority. Every business meeting can wait. Come on, freshen up. Let's go see the doctor, okay?
If you insist.
What's going on, Daphne?
Samantha, I'm finished. Samantha, I'm pregnant.
What? How? When? How can you be this careless girl?
It's just this one time I forgot to take my after-sex pills. I don't know.
Come on, girl, we have to do something about this.
What do I do?
We have to get rid of the baby.
Samantha. Okay. I guess I skipped the part where Gerald and I went to the hospital together. Like, he followed me to the hospital. He's just too stubborn. I don't know what to do.
You know everything we did to raise money for this surgery. You can't lose this body for a baby.
No. I can't lose my body.
We have to do something.
Samantha, tell me, what do I do?
We have to do something.
What do I do?
We have to do something about this. You can't believe this.
Okay. Good afternoon, guy.
How long have you been standing there?
Okay. Don't say God good, where God sabi doing work. You know? God try for you, Oga. See as my Oga just fine. Eh? My Oga just fine.
What's that your name again?
Carol.
Carol.
Yes.
Was that meant to be a compliment?
Not to God though. Yes, now God, I come appreciate for my Oga.
Well, I do not appreciate such compliments coming from you.
Oh, thanks.
Baby! Baby. What? What happened? Hey, sorry. Let's get you to the hospital. Carol! Hey, careful. So sorry. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. You'll be fine. No. Let's just get into the care. Get my car key! Get me!
Madam will die!
Get out from there!
Madam will die!
Sorry, baby. Sorry, baby. Sorry. Babe, it's okay.
Can't believe I lost my baby. My baby.
It's just really awkward that the doctors couldn't even say what exactly was wrong.
What am I supposed to do? How did my happiness turn into sorrow just in the twinkle of an eye? I just want my baby.
Don't do that, okay? Don't do that. Hey, look at me. We've just been a few months in marriage, okay? We're gonna have babies. As many as you want.
I just want my baby.
Don't do that, okay?
Just want my
It's okay.
I want my baby.
Stop it. Don't do that. What do you want? Want something to eat? It's okay.
dangerous game. Having fun is the aim, the aim. To have fun is the aim. Don't you know that it could end up in pain? Don't you know that it could end up in shame? End up in shame, shame. Your life is fake. That's a big mistake. There's bound to be regrets. Whoa, your life is fake. That's a big mistake. At the end, regret is what you get when all you want to do is to only impress. And the good in you, you suppress and oppress the one you should impress now. Whoa, whoa, it's a big mistake. The type you
Oh my God.
Kimberly, what are you doing?
Calm down.
What are you doing here? How did you get in here? I don't get it. You're asking me to calm down, you invade my privacy, and you're asking me to calm down. Does your friend even know you're here?
Oh, Gerald, she doesn't, and she doesn't need to know.
Is this a joke? Hey, don't come any close to me.
Oh, come on, baby.
Don't touch me. I'm not your baby. See, you need to start getting out of this room now.
Oh, gosh, Gerald. Everyone knows I'm attracted to only married men. And not only has Daphne told me how good you are in bed, I just saw for myself that you have a really big road down there.
This is absolute madness. This is madness. I don't understand it. Did anybody see you come up here? My help?
Nobody saw me. We're safe.
Good. Listen to me. This can't happen, alright? I'm going to pretend that it never did. You're going to leave this room now and make sure that she doesn't see you.
I'll do that when we're done here, baby.
Wait. Aren't you listening to me? I don't want to be rough with you.
I like it raw.
Hey. Get out of my room. Get out.
Gerald, everybody knows I'm on the top list of all the big men in Lagos.
Okay.
And it would be a privilege for you to have something to do with me. And trust me, don't be quick to tell Daphne about what just happened, because very soon you realize you want me.
So we had a flat tire today. Cassie had to call someone to assist us, and Samantha was just staring at us like she couldn't even stand and wait. She took a cab and left. I don't understand Samantha sometimes.
And in all of this, Kimberly was nowhere to be found?
No, she called in sick.
Oh.
Why?
No, I'm just wondering. I haven't heard her name since you started talking, so...
She called and said she was a bit under the weather. But I'm sure it's one of her useless excuses just to go spend time with her married boyfriend.
Wait. You know that she dates married men?
Who doesn't know?
And you still don't seem to have a problem with it.
Excuse me?
Daphne, all your friends, every single one of them, have one character flaw or the other. There's something negative, a negative attribute somewhere, and you still don't see the need to discard them? I'm wondering if I'm safe here.
Gerald, you don't seem to get it, do you? Listen, my friendship with these girls are not based on morals or character. It's just based on financial status and social media followers, okay?
Listen to how you sound. Doesn't that sound like crap to you?
No. Maybe to you, but not to me.
Okay. You must know, Kimberly was here earlier. She came up to our bedroom, trying to lure me into doing stuff with her. I really don't know why you're laughing, why you find this funny. You may think I'm making it up, but I'm being serious here. She even asked me not to tell you.
Gerald.
Okay, I'm a comedian now.
Mr. Gerald Anasi, you are trying, you are pushing, you're really doing it so well. You're trying so hard to tear I and my friends apart. I know you don't like them. But guess what? You won't win, okay? You can have your meal.
Can you imagine this woman?
Love me a man who is not secretive with his password. Gerald. Yes. Let me delete this transaction. Oh my God. Yes, deleted.
Good morning, Your Highness. Good morning, my king. Good morning, Oga. Good morning, Oga. Good morning, Oga. Good morning, Oga. Good morning, Oga.
What is all this?
Sorry, sir. I say, make I, make I bring your food come, and breakfast on top bed.
What is the meaning of that? Since when? When that one start?
I know now, okay. I just try make everything just soft for you, you know.
Where's my wife?
She don't come out since.
To where?
Okay, I don't know where your mother go. I don't know where she go. But okay, me, I don't want to talk, say I go ask you something. It's a small question, no. Okay, I won't ask you, I beg. Now, what you see for madam body?
Are you normal? Is something wrong with you?
They're alright, though, okay. We'll talk soon. Me and you know, say, madam, no be wife material like me. I'm the wrong things for this house.
It looks like you're tired of this job, right?
My guy, you know now. The world don't tire, Carol. Carol don't tire. At this time, now Carol will get her own promotion. From Carol, house girl work, to madam of this house.
Something must be wrong with you.
No, I mean they run the house.
Wait. Did you smoke anything?
Smoke?
Have you been smoking? Did you smoke something at night?
Smoke? Why can't you talk like that? I don't smoke. I'll spend my money.
If you did not smoke something and you're not high on anything, then I'm sure madness runs in your lineage.
Oh, girl, Carol, they crazy. You know where see I did talk now.
Then you must have a spiritual problem then, because I don't understand what you're doing here.
Okay, me and you know say, you see madam so. Madam be like all those things where they order, they go say DM, order for Instagram. They go order for Instagram, chop, clean mouth, carry and go another DM, another Instagram there. They go carry and they go chop, they go clean mouth. Oh, girl, you go order your own from Instagram. You carry your own, bag up, you go altar, go give God. Now who they do like that?
Get out of my room now. Carol, I said get out of this room. Hey, come. Carry this rubbish you brought here.
I know vex so. Does even the Bible talk say, if you know the truth will set you free.
I said get out.
No vex. Madam na Instagram happy.
Can you imagine?
Having fun is the aim. To have fun is the aim. Don't you know that it could end up in pain? Don't you know that it could...
Why are you covering your face? Are you owing anyone?
Babe, you won't believe how many people I am owing in this Lagos.
Freya, the problem is, see, you two do pass yourself. You have to relax, so.
How? You no go blame me now. I mean, the oppression on Instagram these days is too much. I'm not me they go oppress, so.
Anyways, yeah, the money you asked for.
What? He gave you this money?
I stole it.
You mean you stole this huge amount of money from him and he didn't notice it?
Girl, have you forgotten who my husband is? He's just a baby to me, don't worry.
Girl, you need to keep stealing more money from him. Yes, I mean for savings. Yes. Gerald can just wake up tomorrow and decide to marry someone else. Especially all this rich guy, you can't trust them.
No. Gerald won't do that. He would never, ever. He loves me so much.
Babe, don't you see stories on social medias? Marriages these days is not like in the days of our parents, when it was for better, for worse. These days is still further notice. So open your eyes. Anything can happen, man. Yeah. You have to think about it. I'm just advising you as a friend. I know that Gerald got married to you because of his status, or you fit in his status. What if tomorrow you just wake up and just discover one new attractive girl and more flashy girl than you? Then you're gone. You should think about it, girl. Thank you so much for this money. I really appreciate it. Oh, come on. What's up with this mood? Come on, girl. Let me get you something to drink. Hey, mama.
Hey, baby. Welcome back.
Gerald, what is going on?
I created a me and you time.
What am I missing?
What are you missing? Come on, babe. I wanted to do something for us. Listen, since we got back from our honeymoon, we haven't really had time alone. There's been a lot of distractions, and these distractions are not helping us. So I wanted to do this so that we can bond and spend time together. Just you and I.
Gerald, that's so thoughtful of you.
I know. I miss us. I miss how romantic we used to be.
That's so thoughtful of you.
Yeah. You know, I miss those romantic moments with you, where I can be with my wife in the bathtub, naked, you know, just me and you. I miss it.
I miss it too.
You know, I love you, and I want our marriage to work.
I love you too.
Guess what? This is not all.
I with this one. I love. Hey. Oh, come clean. God could make you as I did. That go bust for that go for that bed. That go bust for that bed. Nonsense. Now we'll go through this thing. I don't know if you die for this kind of nonsense. And then pray, I go to fast and pray, and then I go scatter for that bed.
Hey, come back here. Is this how you've been dressing?
Madam, that's why they dress. Listen to her.
Where do you think you are? Your village, Abi?
See, madam, calm down now. Now money where I no get, if not the fashion, leave her. Carol, I get her.
Don't you know that living under the same roof with Gerald Onoze is a big opportunity to change your life? If I were you, I would do anything to make him attracted to me. Or don't you like money?
This money where they talk, hey, we no come count the bridge for Lagos now. I like money now.
Obviously you don't. If not, you won't be dressing like somebody that is confused about life.
Auntie Cassie, no they talk like that too. You know they see this my fashion. You know they see my color block. You know they see my match. You know they see everything. Which one you they talk so? See me now.
Try the open breasts. Wear mini skirts. Or don't you know that anything that makes him enter under your pants, you can transform from house girl to madam?
Now the plan with that.
Okay.
Now the plan with that now. Even Oga says no say I be wife material.
Better for you. Even the Bible says work and pray.
We dey pray for him. The work now I dey do so.
I hope you're doing your work well.
I dey do my work well though. If you ask your friend when she come, I dey do my work well though.
Hey babes, how you doing?
Madam, the Cassie don't come.
Hey girl.
Cassie baby.
How you doing?
Look good. So what's up?
Thank you, I'm fine. Oh.
So when you came here today, what's popping?
I'm planning a party, girl.
A party?
Yes, my darling.
For what?
Nothing, no. Nothing.
Cassie, you're planning a party for nothing.
Babe, come on now. You know girl needs some money now. I need to be sprayed some naira and dollars.
Don't say you are broke. Oh. Just use the right word that you are broke, my friend.
My dear, who throws a party for no reason?
I beg. What do you want to eat? Caro! What do you want to eat?
It's going to be so much fun tonight, girls. I cannot wait. Hey, Daphne. Hi, Gerald. Hi.
Hey, girls.
Is Daphne ready?
Ready for...
We're hanging out tonight. We came to pick her up.
Oh, no. So sorry. It's really sad my wife wouldn't be able to hang out with you girls tonight.
Oh, no. She actually asked us to pick her up.
Yeah.
Well, she said she will not be hanging out with you.
Are you insinuating that we're lying?
I said she said that!
Here she comes. Gorgeous, baby. Tonic. Oh, my God.
God, if I was a guy, I would have picked you up from the club tonight.
Baby, I have to go with the girls, and I'll see you when I get back.
Are you out of your mind?
Did he just ask me that?
Is something wrong with you? Are you okay? And Daphne?
Jared, calm down.
Don't ask me to calm down.
Don't talk to my friend like that.
I should not talk to your friends like that. But your friends can come into my house whenever they want, insulting my integrity. Are they okay?
We're actually just going to the club to party. It's not like we're going to pimp her or something.
Can you just stop talking? Shut that thing you call him out. Shut it.
Gerald, you know what? We'll have this conversation when I get back. Right now, let's go have fun!
Esther, sit down there. You girls, get out of my house.
Look, Gerald, you need to take it easy. We've been friends for quite a long time.
She's my wife. She can no longer be friends with you girls.
Why?
Because she's married. She's a married woman.
Am I not a married woman too?
So am I.
Married women. I can see that. You girls cannot be friends with my wife any longer. All you have been to her since we got married is bad influence. Club today, shopping tomorrow, squandering my money. So am I the only married man in Lagos? What is all this? I'm done.
Hey, Gerald, please. If you're going to bar my friends in your house, then I have to go with them. Period.
Right, girl.
Are you guys not hearing me? I said get out of my house.
Look, child, we'll leave your house. It's not by you yelling at us. I mean, take a good look at us. Do we look like a miscreant to you?
Right. Please go and Google the word miscreant. I'm sure the first picture we see there will be yours.
You have to take your shoulders down. Like, what's...
You're still there.
Girls, don't leave me, okay? Girls, don't leave me.
Out! Out!
Just, girls.
See, make sure you throw them out of the gate. These special gates.
Hey, girls.
Oh yeah, you, up. In your 90, now. Up. Are you still there?
Girls, being married doesn't mean being caged now. Huh?
Oh, my girl. I mean, it's not supposed to be an imprisonment, right?
Come on, girls. Because I'm married doesn't mean I can't live my life to the fullest. People are so marriage day. Look, me, I'm not interested though.
You know, the funny thing is how Gerald is trying to control my life. Telling me where to go to, what time to get home, what to wear, and all. And the worst is him trying to stop me from chilling with my squad. How?
That's not possible.
He's just threatened by us.
Exactly. I mean, he knows once you have us, we cannot allow you be reading over by a man, right?
Girls, we are women. We run the world. We shouldn't allow these guys pull us down just to feed their egos. Yeah.
You're right.
By the way, where's Kim? She's supposed to be here, right?
Oh, that's
Let
true.
me put a call through to her. That girl, that's silly attitude.
Hey, babe.
Hey, babe. Where are you?
Oh, I'm sorry. You girls have to carry on without me. Something came up.
Something came up. Like, I don't get Kim. You're always too busy. What's your problem?
I know, right? You guys know how busy I can be now.
Babes, we are all busy here, okay? That's not an excuse.
You know, say busy past busy.
Anyways, whatever. Talk to you later. Bye. Guys, what's up with this Kim girl? Like, why is she always trying to form levels? I don't get it.
I don't understand. I bet who and you should they form level for? Eh? After all, na only Instagram followers should get past us.
Yeah, that's so gross.
It's what you get when all you want to do is to wrongly impress.
Hello.
And the good in you.
Hi, is anybody
And
home?
oppress the one you should impress now.
Carol home.
Hey, is your boss home?
My mother no dey. She don't come out. She no dey.
Who is asking about your madam? Is your oga home?
My oga. Hey, abeg. No be madam friend you be. Wetin you wan see my oga for?
Are you asking me that?
Sisi, I no see another person here. Na me and you dey here. So I don't know where else I dey talk to if no be you.
Gosh, you talk too much.
Hey, why I no go talk? This mouth there, God give Carol this mouth to talk. I go use am chop, I go talk with am. Anyhow, anything where I want to talk, I go use am talk. You no concern.
Where is your oga?
Ah! Hey! Hey! Oga. Upstairs. Hey! Ah! Hey! Carol! Hey! Oga! Hey! Carol has arrived. Carol don't arrive. Oh. Hey! Hey, Buga! Hey! Hey!
What is the meaning of this? Why are you barging into my space as if we have a connection or something?
Relax.
Hey, do not come close to me, else I'm going to do the unthinkable. And you...
You like what you see?
You can touch.
Daphne, I think you need to get a divorce.
A divorce?
Of course, girl. You are not about to get married to an adopter of a husband. Won't allow you to do that.
And I'm not ready to get married to any man that won't allow me to live my life. I mean, that kind of guy is not meant for me.
Can't you see Gerald is controlling?
That's why I got married to a 90-year-old man. You know, he doesn't have the strength to stand in my way, girl.
Like, did you guys see how he threw us out of his house the other night? He doesn't even have any respect for your friends.
And I'm sure he doesn't have respect for your family either.
Girl, he's not the man for you. Gerald is not. We need men that we can control. Men that can stand in our way. Men that can do anything we say. That's what we're about, right?
Girl, you are getting a divorce, and that's on period.
And you're not leaving that marriage without, you know what I mean?
You know what to do, girl.
We get the money and go, girl.
Use and dump.
Hey! Now what? Sis to go up. What should they do for that up? What should they do for up, sis? Eh?
I was praying.
Prayer. Hey! Like this. That's why they just come pray for person house. That's why they just come pray for person house. But now no, they just come our house. Prayer come. I don't even understand which kind of prayer they do for my Oga room. Madam come. Madam go here today. I don't. Oga. Madam no dey. That woman she don't dey. Oga I don't dey look time for you sis. I know the time where she dey the Oga. That woman dey there 24 minutes 16 seconds. She dey with you. I dey vex so Oga me I dey vex so. I dey vex so Oga. I know say we wan replace Madam. Even if we go replace Madam, no be me dey next in line. Oga. Na me dey next in line be wife material. Oga, na you dey talk to like this so. I go tell Madam. You know they answer me. You know they answer me. I dey go my office. If Madam come back today, Madam go hear everything today. Today I go tell Madam. You see say I go take care of go tell Madam today.
Good morning.
Good morning. Did you bring this?
Surprise?
Well, yeah. quite surprised.
Well, I just thought to start your day with a romantic gesture.
Wow.
Yes.
That's quite thoughtful of you. Although you didn't make it, Carol did.
But I brought it, and that's what counts, right?
Well, that's right. Just teasing you. It's okay.
Okay.
I will have breakfast in bed.
Yeah, baby.
Thank you.
Okay.
Let me see what we have here.
Yes.
Great. I've looked at all the documents. They work. Absolutely. So, $500 million in 3 weeks, you said? That's good returns. No, that's good returns. You know already, if this goes really well, I should be investing over $1 billion. Nice. Okay, let's do this. I'm really excited about it. New frontiers, man. Okay. I'll shoot you an email now. And have my secretary do you an MOU tomorrow.
Yeah. Babe, what's up? Just listen to me. I need you to come up with a game plan. Yes. Gerald is expecting a huge amount of money. Yes. Listen, I overheard his conversation over the phone. Just all you have to do is please come up with a good game plan. ASAP. Yes. Bye.
Hey. It's still very early in the morning. What are you doing here?
Hey, baby.
Wait, you're not here to see me, are you?
Gerald, you've not called me since last time.
Kimberly, I've been busy.
Really, Gerald?
Listen, Daphne is at home. I don't want her to see you here.
I don't care.
What do you mean you don't care? She's your friend.
I still don't care.
Okay, you know what? Just go. I'll call you. All right? I'll give you a call.
Promise.
Please, yes.
Hey, what's up? Tomorrow night? Where? Quilux? Wait, you mean all the celebrities are going to be there? Well, girl, in as much as I want to, I'm sorry. I can't. What do you mean, why? Girl, I'm a married woman and I respect my husband. And yes, henceforth, please, I don't think I'll be clubbing anymore. Bye. Hey, baby.
Hey. Let me get things straight. You no longer want to club with the girls?
Oh, no. Baby, I do not want that lifestyle anymore. Right now, I just want to focus on our home. I love you.
Love you too, baby.
Carol's supposed to be musician. Sha. Hey, cause I get friends, I get nyash, I sabi cook. Normally, Carol na wife material. Hey, normally I be wife material. Hey. Carol sabi do. Madam. Good day.
Carol, darling. Carol. I need a favor from you, okay? Carol.
What?
I'm talking to you. Carol. You're a woman like me, eh? So the truth is, I want to impress my husband. So I need a favor from you. Carol, I need you to do two things for me. You teach me how to make simple meals, and then I want you to praise me in front of my husband. Like, you know, I'm learning so fast, I'm good and everything.
Carol?
Yes, darling.
I don't know.
You can't teach me or you can't praise me in front of my husband. Which one?
Madam, all of them join together. Madam, you see this kind thing, eh? Now talents wey God for heaven, now He give Carol that talent. As you see, and so God He dey give some people talent to find like this. Then God said, as He get sense, He still give some people talent to find and to know how to cook. Two talent.
Carol, stop that! You think this is a joke or something?
Oh.
That thing. So, Carol, because I said it's a favor, you, look at this one. You know I want to buga for me.
I like this song, Joy. Christiania.
Crazy. Now listen to me. This is not a favor, Carol. This is an order. You will teach me how to cook, and you, Carol, will praise me in front of my husband, okay? It's an order. Or else, you will leave my house. Try me.
Rubbish. No. Madam, we no get talent. Eh? Go buga now. Of course, then Carol go buga now. Carol get talent. See this so since now soup won't cook for soup, you go do a chop, tiny. So if you want to chop it, try like chop.
You mean like this?
Wait. All this long Jezebel, no people say they use cook be that. Chop it.
Yes.
Look it.
Okay.
Yes. God, mother, I like this one name to be cook. What's it happen?
Hello? Yes, it's a conference call. Cassie. Yes, girl, just listen. The plan is working. Yes, Gerald now believes I'm a good wife. Girl, the act is really working. So what next?
Girls, I think it's time for step 2.
Okay.
Isn't that too early? I'm lost, girls. What's really going on? That's what happens, girl, when you miss girls' day. I'll help you, Kimberly. Daphne is trying to divorce Gerald, but she needs a massive cash out before that.
Girls, I beg. You see this marriage thing, I've figured out is not for me. I can't wait to just leave this guy. I'm tired.
You belong to the streets.
Okay. Bye, girls.
Babe. Not tonight.
Baby. Why?
It's your birthday in a few days. I want to reserve myself for you and give you a special treat.
Baby, you remembered my birthday?
Of course. You're my wife. I would always remember your birthday.
Wow, so baby, what should you get for me as a gift for my birthday?
Actually, it is a surprise. But if you have any additional gifts you'd like me to get you, why not? You can let me know.
Sugar. I love the sound of that.
I know.
You know what?
Mm-hmm.
I'll get back to you tomorrow on that.
All right.
Baby.
Don't worry.
I love you so much.
No. Just a few days. Special birthday cake for you here.
I love you.
I love you too, baby.
I'm coming.
That's my baby girl. Few more days to go.
I'm coming.
Yes. I've written that. Already. I wrote that already. I've written that. What else do you think? Yes. Autobiography. Yes. Girl. Hey. Girl, if Gerald should give me all this, girl, I'm good to go. Oh, marriage, help, I beg. Just kiss this marriage goodbye, yo. Yes, so what else? Bring it on.
Hey, baby.
Hey.
How are you? What is this one now? Wow. My birthday wish list?
Yeah.
A house in my name.
Yes, baby.
But you have this one.
Come on.
A 2022 Range Rover autobiography.
Yes. Baby, I love that car.
Right. Funds to start a real estate business.
I love properties.
I thought you never loved businesses.
Stop.
You said you like to be a housewife. Okay. 200 million naira in cash as birthday gifts.
Baby. What's funny?
You. And this list feels like Night of 1,000 Laughs.
Come on, it's not a joke.
It is a joke. Well, it feels like one. Are you trying to rip me off and close all my bank accounts? Is that what you're trying to do?
Gerard, can you just stop this? You're bigger than this. You asked me for my birthday list. Like, what do you want for my birthday? This is what I want for my birthday.
Great. Look, Daphne, there will be a party here on your birthday in honor of you. You can invite your friends. A couple of my friends from the UK will be coming as well, so they couldn't make it for the wedding. They'll like to meet with you.
Gerald, this is my birthday. Can you
I
just...
know. Trust me, there'll be a lot to eat, drink.
And what about the list?
I love, shaki or more chicken.
Gerald, this is not fair.
Hey. Gerard, I know, yeah.
Living life on the fast lane, playing dangerous games. Having fun is the aim, the aim. To have fun is the aim. Don't you know that it could end up in pain? Don't you know that it could end up in shame? End up in shame, shame. Your life is fake. That's a big mistake. There's bound to be regrets. Whoa, your life is fake. That's a big mistake. At the end, regret is what you get when all you want to do is to wrongly end.
Hey!
Hey!
How are you? How you guys doing? Great.
That's my man. Yeah. That's my husband. Our billionaire husband. That's my baby. Our billionaire husband.
That's the birthday girl.
Yes.
That's my baby.
She looks so pretty today.
Yes. Better do something before it's too late. Before it's too late.
Oh, let them get that.
It's fake. That's a big mistake. There's bound to be regrets. Your life is fake.
Nice party. Good to see you.
At the end, regret is what you get.
Grab cups, drinks. Hey, baby, cola.
Cassandra.
Hi.
Cassie, is it me you are greeting like that? See, Cassie. For the fact that you and my cousin divorced does not mean that we should be enemies.
What? What are you even saying? Are you okay? Like, do you really know what you're saying right now?
Who's divorced who? What are you guys talking about?
Is she divorced? No way.
Egbami, Cassie, are you and Femi not divorced?
Cassie, say something now.
Wait. You guys did not know? They've been divorced for over a year now.
Auntie Cassie, get that CBO.
Are you shocked? Are you no worse than her? You're here, rolling around with the big girls in Lagos, while your mom is suffering in the village.
Hey. Freya's mom doesn't live in this country, okay? So get your facts right.
Exactly.
Her name is Neka.
What is going on here?
Your mom that the villagers contribute money for her to survive. Excuse me, I don't know this girl. How did you even get here in the first place? Get your hands off me!
Hey, wait. Are they about to fight, man? Hey. I hope everyone is good now, right? All the misunderstandings over? Anybody still has anything to get off their chest? So sorry for all the misunderstandings and recognitions. Does anybody still recognize anyone? Okay, great. To the reason we are all here today. My wife's special gift.
Yo, that looks like a document. I hope it's a house document for my girl.
Yeah, so I brought this today not because of what I have discovered that you want, but because of what I found out recently. Where's this card now? Where's this card? Where could it be? Wait, I hope she has not taken my card again. I hope this woman has not taken this card. I really have to change this pin up. You were preventing yourself from getting pregnant. Daphne. Wow.
Gerald, I can...
Now I'm wondering, did you really lose that pregnancy? Or you got rid of it?
Gerald, please,
No, it's fine. From the time I got married to you, I just knew that this was probably never going to work. Because you're a good show for girlfriend, but you say marriage? You are not ready.
No, Gerald. Gerald, please don't do this. Please don't do
Done
this.
it already. Here. Divorce papers. Come on, don't be so dramatic. No. Why be so dramatic? This is what you've always wanted, right? No. Oh, you're surprised that I'm the one serving it. Oh, God. You thought you would serve me divorce papers. I brought it. With that ridiculous list that all these your friends helped you to create. Right? I mean, Kimberly gave me all the information.
What?
She told me everything.
Kim!
You can touch.
You really need to stop. No, stop it. Stop it. You really need to leave now, please.
Gerald, we both know you want this. I mean, you know what I want. I'll give you sex and you give me money.
I am married to your friend.
Gerald, it doesn't matter. She doesn't need to know about this.
What if I'm not attracted to you?
Likewise, Gerald, I'm attracted to your pocket, and that's more than enough attraction.
Wait, okay. Even if anything was going to happen between us, not here.
Then where?
I can't think of anything right now. I would think of something and get back to you, okay?
Oh, Gerald, you don't even have my phone number. Okay, but I have yours and I'll text you.
Perfect.
Make sure you call me.
Madam, I tell you this thing. I don't know what you see. Don't you? Calm down. I tell you this will happen.
Darling, we're done here.
Oh, please, I'm sorry. I never knew the person who was divorced wanted.
You can take your time, call your lawyers.
No.
Look at the papers.
No. Gerald, just give me one more chance.
I have given you all the chances there are.
No.
I have moved on.
No, please.
As a matter of fact.
Percy, someone attack him. Oh my God, please.
I'm seeing someone now.
Gerald.
Someone I feel will make me really
Gerald,
happy.
please.
Come, darling. Hey. Yeah.
No, please. You know I love you. I love you so much. You know.
Please stay.
Daphne, you have 30 minutes to pack your things. Okay?
I love you. Gerald, I love you.
Hey.
Gerald, I love you. Gerald, I love you. Don't do this to me.
Wicked. Now me supposed to be next in line. You know say that me supposed to be the next madam.
You know I love you.
Oga, you don't try. You know me the next in line. You don't try.
Help me.
Now let me see me, Joe. Now me dey run things for this house. Madam, more go fight Oga. More go fight Oga. Obi like bangele again. Bangele.
Freya.
I want to be fight Maria. Oh, they go, Joe.
Help me. Gerald.
Regrets. Whoa, your life is fake. That's a big mistake. At the end, regret is what you get when all you want to do is to wrongly impress. And the good in you suppress and oppress the one you should impress now.